like Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2017 Volkswagen Amarok Highline. Now starting at the front, I am going to walk you through the condition because it is in incredible condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle. So starting off at the front end there, you can see big bold front end that these Amaroks have with the chrome front grille and those nice sharp headlights that do give you a very clear beam of light. Now when they are turned on, you also get the daytime running lamp, which does add elegance to that front end. And let me tell you, when those LEDs contrast with the black paintwork, it looks absolutely incredible. Even the contrast between the chrome and the black is incredible. Now for a ute, it does actually present really well on the front end. There's no touch-ups or damage that I can actually see that need to be pointed out, and very subtly integrated into that front grille, you do actually get front parking sensors, so good to know that you are covered when you try to park this vehicle. We've also got the fog lights just built into there. If we come around to the first alloy wheel, as you can see, aftermarket XD series wheels in this with your all-terrain tires. Good condition on those tires, and that wheel is actually completely unmarked. And just under there you got the turquoise springs which tell me it has actually got a lift kit, so you get the extra ground clearance as well. Now the paintwork along the driver's side does present really well. I can't actually fault it even if I am trying to be picky. Just detail express. Now the indicator is built into the side fender there, which does clean up the mirror, and that mirror is color matched with the vehicle as well, and you've got the chrome insert in that mirror. Now door handles once again are color matched with the vehicle. Just going to unlock this and show you on the inside. As you can see, inside the car does present really well. You've got really good condition on these bolsters. Driver's side does have a little bit of wear in the leather, but that is to be expected. The bolster is still nice and firm. Scuff guards, door trims, and where we get lazy and kick the door open, good condition, so minimal wear there as well. Down the bottom you have got the alloy side step fitted just to give you the extra assistance getting in and out. Now we'll keep making our way along. Take note of the paintwork because it does present really well. That next wheel, once again, completely unmarked, and that's a near brand new tire on the back as well. Now on the back end here, the tub once again presents in really good condition. Even if I am trying to be picky, you start to notice a lot of damage on top of the tub. However, this one does actually present really well. Got the roller lid attached to this, so unlocking it will let you slide that open. Let me just unlock that quickly. As you can see, it does slide open fairly easily. And on the inside here, good condition on that tub. It has been used, so a couple of little scratches, but nothing really too concerning. I'm just going to pull that roller lid closed and just show you how easy it is to actually use that. So once it's closed, that is locked in place too. Just lift that tub up and that closes. Now down the bottom of the tub you have also got the rear step, so good for getting anything into the tub if you don't want to drop that tailgate down. You've also got the tow bar fitted down the bottom, and rear parking sensors and reverse camera just to help you back up. Now along the passenger side, once again, good condition. There is a couple of little drip marks from the recent rain, but no actual damage that I can actually spot out. That next wheel, once again, good condition on that wheel, completely unmarked and near brand new tire. Paintwork along the passenger side once again does present really well. If I am being super picky, there is a light mark there, but it is a black car. You'd probably expect to see everything, but overall 99% beautiful condition. And that last wheel once again completely unmarked, so good condition on all four wheels. And the paintwork for a ute does present absolutely incredible, and for a black vehicle, let me tell you, this is very well presented. What we're going to do now, guys, is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the engine bay now, what we have is a 3-litre 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine, and it has got an 8-speed automatic gearbox, which makes it a very comfortable drive. Now power output from the engine is 165 kilowatts with a torque rating of 550 newton meters. The diesel fuel tank holds 80 liters and gives you a combined fuel consumption of about 9 liters per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 889 kilometers from the full tank. You look inside the Amarok now, very comfortable interior, I must say. On the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window controls, so the front two and the back ones are all automatic. Now, above that is the toggle for your power mirrors, and on the door is your central locking buttons as well. Now on the right hand side here, you've got your headlight control. So being automatic, you can just leave it in auto and the car will decide when it needs to use them. Above that again, you've got the brightness control for your cluster, and the angle adjuster for your headlights. On the right hand stalk here, you've got your washer and wiper controls being European. And on the left hand side here, you've got all your indicators, headlights, and cruise control. The steering wheel is very nicely leather wrapped with all your media controls on the right hand side. Menu controls there as well, and extra media controls on the left. Now, heading into the center display, I'm just going to pop it in reverse and show you the nice display reverse camera you got. So you can see the tow bar in there. You've also got a diagram for the parking sensors, so very easy to actually park this car. You've also got navigation built into that head unit. You've got Bluetooth phone connectivity, AM and FM radio. You've also got CD input, USB and AUX, so plenty of options for however you like to listen to your music. Just here you've got your parking sensors, your rear light, your hazards, and then below that again is the hard buttons for your climate control. Being dual zone climate control means passenger and driver can both have their own temperatures. Under here again, a little bit of storage with a USB and AUX input where you can plug your phone in and just leave it in there out of the way. We've got a 12-volt socket there, a cigarette lighter on the left hand side, a few blank buttons if you want to add anything extra, and then on the right hand side you've got traction control, rear diff lock, and your off-road function. Now the shifter, you can drive it as a normal auto, or if you bump it down once it's in drive, puts it in sports mode, or if you bump it to the right, you can switch through the gears manually with the shifter or the paddles behind the steering wheel. Behind that again, you've got two cup holders and that inbuilt ashtray. You've also got a hard handbrake, and when we open that up, you've got some storage next to that as well. Behind the center console, you've got a 12-volt socket and two cup holders on the ground. Now, if we pan around the interior, you will notice seat conditions are amazing for a work ute, and even the roof lining and interior condition of the vehicle does actually present really well. So this is a beautifully looked after ute on the inside and out. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Volkswagen Amarok. Now, a couple things we are going to talk to you about when you call us and inquire about this vehicle is the glass coat, which I would highly recommend because you get a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. Why would you not want to maintain that beautiful black condition and prevent it from fading, oxidizing, the damage that bird droppings can cause, bat droppings, and even tree sap? Keep your car looking amazing and ask us about the product and get yourself a lifetime warranty and paintwork. The other thing I'd highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan, because it's a work ute and you are going to be putting it through a lot of stress. That premium plan is going to give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance, $3,600 claims, and unlimited claims over the course of the plan. So it is awesome value and a great way to protect your investment. If you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages. Tailor something to suit your needs, which will work all those protective options into your payments and make it comfortable for you. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call us. But before I go, you need to have a look at our Google reviews as well. Have a read of what people have to say, because you will find that you are dealing with a reputable dealership buying a good quality vehicle. We're going to look after you from start to finish as well. Make sure the process is easy and make sure you enjoy your new car. Now, the number to dial is 9907-0555. My name is Josh, and Berwick Mitsubishi, love that experience.